Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for BNB Binance price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, we are looking at BNB having a really nice chart where we have here a clear impulse, of course, in the green label, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. In both case scenario, you would like to see a correction with 3 waves A, B, and a C, claiming that a wave 2 or a wave B has finished. Now, after that, you would like to see, of course, continuation of higher prices. And of course, as we can see here, another 1, 2, and then finishing a wave 3 here, and looking at a wave 4 and finishing a wave 5 in the green scenario. Now, with this green scenario, you would have finished a wave C, right? Because you got an impulse correction and an impulse toward the upside where you are looking, of course, for another wave C, where we might look here for even higher prices to reach at least the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the top of the A, of course, and the bottom of your wave 2 here, and of course giving us a 1-to-1 fib level for a wave C. Now your wave C here has started already as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and the problem is, of course, your wave 4 did not reach your wave 1, which is perfect as an impulse, but your wave 5 is still very short. Now, the thing is, if we need a higher wave 5, of course, we need to see another impulse towards the upside. And by all means, what we are looking at now is just a leading diagonal. And this leading diagonal can be, of course, a wave 1, and you are looking for a wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to finish this orange scenario, wave 5, of course, with higher prices. And in that case scenario, of course, I would call a finished wave C, even if it did not reach even the 1-to-1 fib level, of course. However, this is, of course, a logarithmic fib level. If we bring it down, you will see that even it is very, very lower. So Binance has already overshooted the fib level in the linear chart. By all means, if you are in a linear chart where you are looking for a wave C target, this was only a 1-to-1 fib target. But of course, Binance is a huge coin and it is moving very, very fast and towards the upside. So it has already extended the fib levels to be, of course, on the logarithmic chart here, and we are definitely looking for something very, very high. Maybe we're gonna reach the 5,000 with Binance. We are already 658, so it is even very, very possible. And besides, we are very, very close to the all-time high for Binance. So we are looking to break it, I think, sooner or later, but maybe if, of course, we get higher high. Now, what I mean here, that is a potential as well to be a finished wave 5 here. And what I mean with this is that, okay, it might be an ending diagonal here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well, where your wave 4 did not yet reach your wave 1, and which is not allowed, of course, as Elliott wave rules, which it gives it like a very, very low possibility, but only in one possibility, which is if we reach these 3 waves up, and this might be corrective, and you reach one more wave down and you hit just a little bit this wave 1, you might form in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Only in that case, we can consider a wave 5 has finished low here and your wave C has finished exactly here. Okay, so this is the only way. Now, so far, we are still very impulsive because your wave 4, did not reach your wave 1 yet. Look how much close it was, yeah, but it did not hit it. So, which is a perfect scenario for, of course, an impulse and continuation towards the upside. Now, how much upside? We still don't know. So far, what I see in this scenario, if we finish here as an ending diagonal, because if you move here to the 4-hour chart to see much better what's going on, in the 4-hour chart here, guys, we are looking at kind of a finished diagonal. Okay, and this might be of course a wave 1, but you need definitely a wave 2 to come back, of course, to at least 0.38 fib level. And by all means, in any case scenario right now, because we have finished a diagonal here on the 4-hour chart as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we did not take the high. All right, we need a correction. Okay, claiming a wave 2 and then moving up for a wave 3, 4, 5 impulsively. This is the only way that you can say that we can finish, of course, a wave 5 higher, okay, a little bit higher here, and to finish this whole impulse. And this will finish, of course, your wave C. Okay. Now, the other possibility where we are in a bigger wave 5 here, well, it could be the same. Yeah, it could be the same, because anyway, here you did not your wave 4 in the white scenario did not reach your wave 1. Okay, so this is also can be considered, guys, as an impulse, as 1, 2, right, in the white scenario, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. Your wave 5 can just be simply this wave C that we're talking about it again. Yeah, so very, very possible that we look for higher prices. But so far on the 4-hour chart, we need a little bit lower prices. Okay, because definitely we have finished already a diagonal here, obviously. Obviously we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it looks very healthy, right? Very healthy diagonal. However, I know that here there is some higher prices, but I think that this is still corrective. This might be your wave B, and don't forget that this can transform even to expanded flat, and then moving with the wave C towards the downside, hitting, of course, this 0.38 fib level, and then moving continuation towards the upside. By all means, guys, if you want to see higher prices, you need to come back a little bit lower, all right, touch this fib level at least, and then continuation towards the upside. This is your bullish scenario. Your bearish scenario, you have finished a wave 5 here, which is your green wave 5. Yeah, let's bring the green one. Okay, let's say I would not come back to the daily right now. Our biggest scenario has finished here truncated. Okay, and this is a bearish scenario where you did not take the high and you finish just a few dollars below with 5 impulsive or motive waves ending diagonal. Yeah, so this can simply transform into an ending diagonal. And then, of course, bearish scenario, breaking all these fib levels is a confirmation for a bear cycle for BNB, which is low possibility right now. Looking at the KGT for a BNB, of course, I also developed this indicator to show us some signals on the 1-minute chart just to confirm our analysis if we are looking for higher or lower. As you can see here, we were seeing, of course, a lot of buying signals, and here we go. It has jumped towards the upside until we start to get some sell signals, so we can see some pressure over the sell signal. But what is beautiful in this indicator, it tells you as well, like where there is some potential of a reversal. When you see this gray arrow towards the upside, and that means it's a point of reversal, and this is exactly what we saw in this point. We start to see the price moving towards the upside with a very high potential of buyers getting in, and as we can see, this kind of looking like impulsive, but the thing is, we did not get the signal of a buy, but this is still a reversal. By all means, if you took the sell from this area and you sold here until this part, it tells you that, okay, this is a reversal, take profit because something is going on, right? So these signals right now that we are looking at, of course, still a little bit like bullish pressure, but it's not very bullish yet, until of course we see some finished impulse here, because this impulse is not finished. It looks still like 3 waves up, right? A, B, and a C. And if we get a new bearish signal here, right, which it might be very close, if we get a little bit, if I'm searching for lower, here we go. If I'm searching for a lower or weaker signal, we can see that the bearish pressures has already started. And by all means, soon or later, we're gonna start to see some sell pressure here, even as a strong signal. Okay, so far as strong signal is not yet there, but it's coming very soon. And yes, these signals, you can of course find it much more often on the Discord channel, where there is a KGT indicators, where I'm uploading those signals for many coins every day in the morning. You can find the trend of this coin using only this indicator. It tells you today are we much more tending to be bearish or to be bullish. So this is our very clear signals that it might help you to define the trend. And you can of course get into the membership of Patreon, and then it will lead you of course to this Discord channel for more information. Of course, we are representing also any request TA. If you have any request for a TA, I would be glad of course to upload it for you with bullish and bearish scenario, and of course with some information between the support and the resistance. And as well, of course, it's gonna have some fast updates for Bitcoin, of course, as you can see. Plus, of course, we have community for you guys, so you can you can chat and you can negotiate about some TAs and some potentials, plus the educational page here for Elliott Wave, of course. And that was it for the Discord. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.